We're now looking at question 2, and for Guyanese students, the amount of marks gained and lost, 60 and 40. On question 2. Now question 2, this is taken from the actual exam. Given that A is equal to 4, B equal to 2, and C is equal to -1, find the value of this expression A minus B plus C. So as I mentioned in the previous video, these questions are designed to test your knowledge and understanding of certain fundamental concepts and principles. So this question 2, tested candidates' ability to substitute direct numbers for variables and evaluate the result. For example, you have directed numbers C is equal to -1, and the variables are A, B, and C, and you asked to evaluate the result, this result here. Excuse me, this result here. Evaluate that result. Question 2 also tested your ability to write algebraic expressions for verbal statements. Let me show you an example of that. Let me minimize this. So this question tested candidates' ability to write algebraic expressions for verbal statements. A bottle contains so and so. Write an expression for each of the following: the amount of juice left in the bottle after pouring out, after pouring out so many mils, P mils, Q glasses. So these questions are designed to test certain things, certain ideas, certain concepts, and to check your understanding, your knowledge, and your reasoning. So let's minimize that, get that out. Let's look at another part of the same question. Question 2. Students were asked the table below shows a shopping bill prepared for Mrs. Rowe. The prices of some items are missing. Calculate the value of X, the cost of 1 kilogram of sugar, given that. So this question tested translate verbal statements into a pair of linear equations which could be solved simultaneously, factorize algebraic expressions, and so on. So you have an idea of what the questions are testing. The mean mark for that question for students who sat that exam in the Caribbean, for all the Caribbean students, the mean mark was 4.95 marks out of 12 in this question 2. So many students didn't get this correct, question 2. So I hope this video helped you to better understand the purpose of the exam and what type of questions come and what those questions are testing, what knowledge, understanding, and reasoning the questions are testing.